Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the recorder extension into your Chrome browser. So the process was very simple. First open your browser and here in the search box just type the web store and just search for it. Just open up the first website which says the Chrome web store, and now here click on the search extension and themes, and now here you can just type the recorder. After that just hit the enter and now the many extension will come up. Just click on the any extension to open that. So you can download and you just click on the extension and click on the add to Chrome and then click on the add extension. So now it will start downloading and installing into your Chrome browser. So now click on this extension icon and just pin this extension into your browser. Click on this pin icon and just click on this extension, and now here you will see you can record your screen or record your tab in your Chrome browser. So guys, this is how you can download and install the recorder extension into your Chrome browser. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, also to subscribe to our channel.